It's a legal victory for dreamers and a setback for the Trump administration in the ongoing battle over immigrants brought to this country illegally as children. CBS 2's Dave Lopez is live in downtown L.A. with reaction to the Supreme Court's DACA decision. Dave.
Well, the action was swift. You almost have to be a lawyer or at least have a legal mind to understand all of the goings-on in the various courts today. But simply put, what the Trump administration was trying to do was get a decision about DACA once and for all from the U.S. Supreme Court and put it on the fast track, skip over the Ninth Circuit. But the U.S. Supreme Court said, not so fast. At the Old Plaza Church across the street from Olvera Street, members of the DACA program attended a special mass to continue praying that DACA will not be eliminated. And an hour later, a few blocks away at the federal courthouse, a hearing pertaining to DACA was held. Two events not related to each other, but joined at the hip because they both involved dreamers.
We brought this lawsuit because we saw a pattern of the government revoking DACA for individuals who hadn't done anything to make them disqualified from the program.
And the federal judge hearing the case, Philip Gutierrez, indicated that he is leaning toward granting that temporary injunction that will stop the federal government from removing people from the DACA program. Meanwhile, back at the church, members of DACA spoke in Spanish to the congregation, saying how important this program is.
I don't feel 100% comfortable. I think that this is the time to continue to work for an immigration reform.
Diana Molina came to this country when she was 1 year old. She was referring to the fact that the March 5th deadline is no more. It's gone.
I'm just worried that this administration is taking us as a joke.
Manuel J., a DACA member, came here as an infant. His dream to become a doctor.
And you know, with this administration, at this point, it's just ridiculous. You know, they're going back and forth with their with what they're saying. One day they wake up on the wrong side of bed. No, we're going to take out DACA. We're not going to do any DREAM Act. One day they wake up on the right side.
And by refusing to hear the case today, what the Supreme Court has done is protect dreamers, at least through the fall. The program, in the eyes of the experts, will go on as though nothing has happened. And as for that injunction that the ACLU is trying to get, the judge says he will have an answer very, very quickly because of what's at stake. So again, the Supreme Court says we are not going to hear it now, and they also use the language without prejudice, which means, in simple English, come back later, but not now. Back to you in the studio.